Good morning. As you've seen, putting the cuts in today. So we're going to be doing down there, across that wall, and then down this wall here. God, we've had a storm last night. Windy, raining, proper windy. But here, we're down in a valley, bottom end of Porcelain. And do you know what? It's so sheltered. Down this corner, might be aware that, bit of a wind. But round here on patio, absolute sun trap, I'm sweating. Tom's on mixer out front. I was like, oh, it's freezing. And I'm just in a different climate around here. Absolutely red hot. So we're going to finish today. We need to leave here at 3. I'm off to the Leeds game tonight. Sheffield Wednesday away. So I don't know what time anyone's setting off. So we're going to leave at 3 just in case we need to go to the pub. Get these cuts in. Start this side at patio over here. But with it being bank holiday Monday, I don't know. Don't know if we're working or not. We'll see. See what weather does. But yeah, let's crack on once again. Right, we'll just whiz through there. Got us cuts in. Think we're needing steps. There and other one as well. Got all those cuts in out way around. Little 20mm gap. Run about putting like really small gravel in. So I'm showing you this because we've got to move all of this crap here onto there. So you're not going to see porcelain patio, are we? Yeah, it's looking good once again, as I say all the time. But yeah, let's try and get these where they don't blow away as we're doing it. So we're having a bit of a early dart today. Like I say, I am off to Leeds Sheffield Wednesday game. So we need to set off at like 5:30 so we can get into a pub while we're down there. Muggins here is driving, but it's their turn next time, innit? But yeah, we've like literally got 8 flags down, I think it was, plus all of us cuts, and then it leaves us fresh. Obviously Monday's bank holiday. It leaves us fresh Tuesday to do all of that area then. Yeah, have a nice weekend. It's going to rain Saturday, Sunday, clear on Monday. So my wife's off away to Chester for weekend with lasses. Bear in mind, I've only been home from Spain a few days and she's off away once again. So I'm hoping to sneak in some golf because she owes me really, doesn't she? So hopefully golf on Monday, get this winter calmed down. But yeah, see you soon guys, have fun, and I'll see you on Tuesday.